Oh my goodness. And Ding is back up by 2. If Ding holds this one, he might win the match. 2 minutes remaining. This is likely to be the last game. Oh my goodness. Hikaru with the white pieces, though. He's played very well in the bullet with white.
He needs to win just to force
overtime
knockout.
And for Ding, if Ding feels that he's losing, bleeding out the clock and forcing a tiebreaker might be the way to go.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Can Hikaru win on demand to tie the match? Oh my goodness.
How do you use the 50 seconds in a situation like this?
Well, everybody's holding their breath. Oh, Hikaru's got to be very careful not to repeat it 3 times by accident.
Yeah.
Don't play knight h4 here.
I think that last endgame, the knight endgame, was drawn by repetition by accident. Like
Rook h1, Ding. Yeah, it definitely was. And Hikaru taking no chances here. Doubling now on the h file. That bishop on h6 is so vulnerable. How is Ding going to hold everything together? He's got 5 seconds. He's got no time. He's got 5 seconds. He's got to play instantly.
Sack an exchange here.
Whoa, bishop c1. It was a mouse slip.
Mouse slip. He was going to d2.
Oh, it was going to d2, but it was still bad. Rook h7 check would have been terrible.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Hikaru saves the match with a win in the last game.